Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explore the latest tools and technologies that will help enhance your online presence. We will be diving into two popular online form builders, Typeform and Jotform. Both of these platforms offer a powerful set of features which will help you create engaging and interactive forms. But which one is the better choice for your needs? Let's go and explore the key features, advantages, as well as limitations of both Typeform and Jotform, which will help you decide on which one is better suited for you. First things first, let's go over what is Typeform. Typeform is a user-friendly online form builder that focuses on delivering a conversational form-filling experience. With that in mind, let's go ahead and take a look at the key features that Typeform has to offer. First things first is the intuitive interface. Typeform offers a sleek and modern interface, allowing users to create forms with ease. Secondly is Typeform's conversational approach. Typeform's unique feature is its conversational style, making its forms feel more engaging and interactive. Typeform also has quite a few customization options. Users can customize their forms by adding images, videos, and themes, which provides the form a bit of a more personalized touch. Typeform also has conditional logic. Typeform allows the creation of dynamic forms using conditional logic, which enables users to tailor questions based on previous responses. Typeform also has integration capabilities. Typeform seamlessly integrates with various third-party tools such as CRMs and email marketing platforms. Typeform has quite a lot of useful features, however, it also has some limitations. Typeform's advanced features are only available in its premium plans, which can be quite costly for smaller businesses or individuals on a tight budget. Typeform also has limited reporting options. Typeform's reporting capabilities are not as extensive compared to some other form builders. And that's pretty much Typeform. Now let's talk about Jotform. Jotform is a versatile online form builder that provides a wide range of features that's suitable for various industries as well as use cases. Some of Jotform's key features include a robust form builder. Jotform offers a drag-and-drop interface with a vast collection of form fields and widgets, making the form creation process quite effortless. You can also customize Jotform's templates and themes. Jotform provides a vast library of pre-built templates and themes to help users create a more professional-looking form very quickly. Jotform also has an extensive suite of integration options. Jotform seamlessly integrates with over 1,000 third-party applications, including payment gateways and project management tools. Jotform offers advanced form features such as calculation fields, conditional logic, and multi-page forms to cater to complex form requirements. It also allows a lot of collaboration and workflow, which allows teams to collaborate on form creation, review and approval process, as well as streamlining workflow management. As vast as Jotform's features are, it also has its own limitations. One of those limitations is the learning curve. The extensive feature set of Jotform might require some time to master, especially for beginners. Jotform also has some limitations when it comes to the form appearance. While yes, of course, Jotform offers customization options, some users may find the overall form appearance to be a bit less visually appealing, at least compared to Typeform. So those are Typeform and Jotform's key features, as well as some of their limitations. Now let's take a look at the differences between Typeform and Jotform. First things first is the difference between their pricing plans. Typeform's pricing ranges from free with limited features to premium plans for advanced functionality. The premium plans do have more functionality, but it can be a bit more expensive, especially for smaller businesses or individuals. Jotform also offers a free plan, also with limited features, as well as several affordable paid plans, which is a bit more accessible for smaller businesses and individuals as compared to Typeform. Now let's take a look at the differences between their ease of use. Typeform's user-friendly interface and conversational approach makes it a little bit easier for beginners to create engaging forms without prior experience. Meanwhile, Jotform offers a wide array of features which may require some learning for beginners. However, its drag-and-drop interface simplifies the form creation process once you're a bit more familiar with the tools. Another difference is the customization and design. Typeform offers visually appealing designs and customization options, which allows users to create forms that align with their brand identity. While Jotform does provide customization options, the visual aesthetics of the forms may not be as captivating as Typeform's designs. Both Typeform and Jotform have some differences when it comes to integration and compatibility as well. Typeform offers a decent range of integrations with popular third-party tools, which facilitates seamless data flow and automation. Meanwhile, Jotform boasts an extensive library of integrations, which makes it compatible with various platforms and enables users to streamline their workflows effectively. Typeform and Jotform's reporting and analytics are also a little bit different. Typeform does provide some basic reporting and analytics features, but it may not be sufficient for users seeking in-depth data analysis. On the other hand, Jotform offers robust reporting and analytics features, which allows users to gain valuable insights into form submissions as well as user behavior. Now, when it comes to customer support, Typeform provides customer support through email, as well as an extensive knowledge base. If you are a premium Typeform user, you also get phone support. Meanwhile, Jotform offers email support, live chat, and an active community forum, ensuring prompt assistance to users. Now let's talk about the difference between their security and data protection. Typeform emphasizes data security and compliance with industry standards, which ensures users that their data is protected. Jotform implements various security measures and provides options for data encryption, making it a reliable choice for sensitive data handling. Both Typeform and Jotform are exceptional form builders, and each has their own strengths and weaknesses. Typeform excels in providing an engaging and conversational form-filling experience, making it ideal for interactive surveys or user feedback. On the other hand, Jotform offers a vast range of features, customization options, and affordable pricing plans, which makes it a more versatile choice for businesses of all sizes. Ultimately, the choice between Typeform and Jotform depends on your specific requirements, budget, and level of form customization needed. And that just about wraps up everything about Typeform and Jotform. Hopefully this video has provided you with valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.